Okay, just here to test out the amplifier and give it a little show here for Skruffy, so you can get a general idea. What we have here is a 1 watt amplifier. It uses a Philips TDA 7052, and you can use an 8 ohm speaker. It'll run on 3 to 12 volts DC, even though it operates efficiently on 9 volts. So of course I got it hooked up to a 9 volt battery here. Mess of wires. I've got an 8 ohm speaker here I pulled from a PS1 screen. I had tried making portables before, so of course that's why I have one laying around. And you can see this is another one I bought, because I bought a second one. Of course I'm doing like 3 Pit Boys, so I at least need 2 running. Very small, light footprint, you know, not a lot of components, not a lot of heat, you know. This is a 10K pot, and what you could do is you could switch that out when you want to finally put it inside the Pit Boy and swap out this knob here. Of course, I haven't done anything but drill the holes for the LEDs yet, and I haven't bothered trying to kind of sand this out yet. But you know, you can see right here, for an example, footprint size, very small, fits in here really nicely, including this speaker here. It actually fits over that slot pretty nicely too, just the right size. Now I got an MP3 player hooked up here. I tore apart a headset for that. So let's get this started here. You get an example. So it's mono. It's not much, but you know, you're only having one speaker, so you only need mono. It's pointless doing stereo. So you got a fairly decent volume level, pretty good sound. Depending on the volume level, of course, how that speaker sounds. It's not a perfect speaker for this, but you know, I think it's great. It's small and it's 8 ohms. It fits with the amplifier. And adjust the volume, of course, on both places, of course, because it's, you know, has its own little headset amplifier. It's not super loud, like I said before. But then again, you know, I'm going to convention. I don't really expect to hear this damn thing over everybody. And I just like the fact that it can play, and then I'll have it light up. You know, that will be the greatest part. Other than it just being a Pit Boy. It's a Pit Boy. I mean, seriously. Pit Boy. Anyway, I bought this amplifier stuff here at EPO, which is actually over in Bel Air. It's an electronic parts outlet, but you can probably find these kits online because I've seen them online. It is a 1 watt audio amplifier. It is, you know, 1 watt. It was a little pricey, $15, but you know, then again, I didn't have to wait for it. I can try it out. You have this little prefabricated board, a very light footprint. You know, why bother buying something else to tear up and to put in there that's got too big of a board for it? So, you know. So that sounds pretty good, and then I could try with another song here instead of just listening to the same damn song over and over again. Sounds pretty good, right? Okay. Well, that's my video here. I'm just going to show you Skruffy. This is the amplifier I am talking about. It might be an alternative to what you're using right now. Could be a little more efficient. Might not be as loud, but then again, you know what? It plays music. And it saves room for more stuff. You know, especially with people with larger arms. I don't. My girlfriend does. You know,